Welcome to Chiang Mai, a cradle of Thai culture and the former capital of the Lanna Kingdom. This vibrant city lies in a mountainous region in northern Thailand and is renowned for its ornate temples, creativity, and ancient history. In English, the Lanna or the Lanna Kingdom translates to the land of a million rice fields. Chiang Mai was established by King Mengrei in 1294 or 1296 to be the capital of an empire rich with forests, rivers, and fertile valleys. Today, the opulent temples and markets of this 700-year-old city draw visitors from all over the world. In December of 2017, UNESCO awarded Chiang Mai the title of Creative City. Some of the temples in the city are home to Buddhist monks, many of whom can be seen going about their daily activities in the old city. While visiting Chiang Mai, it's possible to learn a thing or two about their traditions and way of life. Beyond must-see temples, other famous sites in this riverside city include giant lily pads, exciting attractions, and other remnants of the city's rich past. Outside the old town, an energetic metropolis with the heart of a small town has grown around Chiang Mai. You'll discover brightly lit markets teeming with local goods, a burgeoning food scene, and contemporary art and design. While it may no longer be at the heart of the kingdom, Chiang Mai is still a crown jewel. Come and experience the fusion of past and present in Chiang Mai. Head over to TourRadar and experience this gem in Thailand's north for yourself. Need another dose of wanderlust? Then stick around to watch more. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay worldly.